Question number 6. If f of x is equal to 2 plus square root of x over 2 minus 4, which of the following cannot be a value of f of x? Okay, when we have a square root, inside of this square root must be always equal to greater than or equal to 0, right? Let's say we have a square root of a. Then we have to remember two things. Inside of the square root, this a must be always greater than or equal to 0. And number 2 is that all of this expression, square root of a, is also always greater than or equal to 0. So this expression right here, square root of x over 2 minus 4, we know that x over 2 minus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. Also, square root of x over 2 minus 4, all of this expression must be greater than or equal to 0. Now let's look at all of this expression f of x. F of x is equal to 2 plus square root of x over 2 minus 4. So this expression is always greater than equal to 0, right? That means this f of x cannot be equal to 0. If f of x is equal to 0, that means this expression is equal to negative 2. But that's impossible, right? So the answer is D.